Hello, I'm going to show you how you put the wipers in maintenance mode, because normally you cannot see them. The wipers are so hidden. If you want to replace them or work on them, you will not be able because of the hood. Press this start button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then this up 2 times. 1, 2. You see? Now the wipers are up and you can replace them, do whatever you want. If you want the wipers to come back to their original position, to parking mode, you press twice start stop engine. 1, 2. And then 1 time this lever up, and that's it.